just going to run you through a bit of a shoulder postural tape. So this can be useful, say you're a desk-based worker, getting a bit of neck pain, a bit of front of the shoulder pain, that sort of thing. It's not going to hold you there, but it gives you a bit of cueing, a bit of feedback to these muscles through the shoulder blades that we should be sort of pulling our shoulders back a little bit more. And yeah, it helps along with the exercises that we often set for this type of condition as well. So we need 2 strips about this long, and this is a K tape, so it's just a stretchy sort of tape, not your rigid tape that you'd put on, say, a sprained ankle, things like that. We're just going to slip that around the side, if that's okay, Rose. And I just pop it across the front of the shoulder, and just get Rose to squeeze your shoulder blades together as we pull it down. And just rub it down so it's all smooth. And we can bring that one back up. Switch sides. And then same on the other side. But she feels nice and even. So just that shoulder blade squeeze again. And we should make a bit of a cross. That's it. How does that feel? Supported?